Hey, what's up? What's going on, guys? Welcome back. This is Diane again with another project review. So if you're new on this channel, I do things related to programming, software engineering, computer, and web development, stuff related. So I'm back here again with another project review. This is called today's project is about a management system for a business. For example, your sales, your orders, and your customers, and expenses and finances reports and your stuff. So I have a friend, he has a company. He told me he wants me to build a system that he can be able to use it to analyze his business. So what I told him is I'm going to build this system inside your current website that I did some time ago. So the technologies I used here are Python, which is the Django backend, then JavaScript and JS, CSS, and HTML. So I'm not using React, just little, not much Bootstrap, plain JavaScript and Django and HTML, CSS. That's what it can do here. So when you open this management system for the first time, for the dashboard, you'll see total number of clients, the total revenue for today, and today's expenses and today's profit. So above there, it will be, you'll have this. I need to fix something because this is sliding over to the menu. So I want it to stop or go underneath of the menu bar up there. So I have to fix that. This is in my second work that I'm proceeding with this. So you can see here, it shows the business overview and it shows the current date, which is June 28th, 2025. And right now we still have 0 clients and 0 revenue and 0 expenses because it's still on progress of development. All right. So when you come to the orders, now let me just go still. So the same thing. Now down here shows our order status summary. So pending orders which have not been finished or delivered, in progress and completed and delivered and canceled, total number of orders. So you can show your recent, I made it to be the most 6 recent orders and the most 6 recent expenses. Right, down here we have a sidebar menu. We have the dashboard and we have the orders. When you click on the orders, then as I said, we have 0 orders. Then you can just create your first order. As when a client comes, you choose the client. At the moment, we have 0 clients. And then payment type or status of the work, is it complete or is not complete? How do they pay it? Is it cash or mobile money or bank transfer? Then a note about that. And then you can choose products. Right now, I just added few products. Then the quantity, then the unit price, because the price of the product is fetched from when you're adding the product, right? Good. So you save that product, you save that order, and then it shows that type of the order. So when you come to customers, you can just add. You can see here, since we have 0 clients, then it says, oh, no clients found, add your first client. So if I click here and then takes me to the add client menu, then the full name, phone number, physical address, and stuff like that, I can still go back to my clients. Then when I come to the products, I can see I only have few list of products that I have. Dell laptop, and I just write my company name Speedify as a product name because I didn't know what products to add. So yeah, then you can view product or update or add a stock of that product, right? You can view that product. Now we have this product. Where does that product belong? These are things I need to fix because when you select when you add product, let me just go back to add products. Simple things that I need to fix. You see, when you're adding product, the category is supposed to have selection. Then you you have to select the category of that product, which is something I've not fixed. All right, so those are things I need to fix. Then when you go to update, it's still going to take you to that update page. You can see takes you to update all your Dell laptop computer, update your Dell laptop computer. It says that for you. Then add the stock, if your current stock shows the current level stock, and you can record another stock, you can specify another quantity and add to that, right? So when I come to the expenses tab, since we have 0 expenses, then it says, okay, add your first expense. All right, and you can see here, then you can add that expenses of rent, then you paid through the cash, or it was mobile money or bank transfer, stuff like that. Then you add that money and you choose the date, or you can just, when you come to here, you can just say today's date. It will give you the specific date of today, then you write notes what that expense is for. All right, so when you come to finances, then here it shows you how your income is coming. Since we have not even have any order completed, then that's why you see this is empty. But when you have order recorded, it's going to show you the list of your orders down here, right? Okay, then when you come to your reports, it shows you complete analysis of your reports. So your total revenue from last month, from the other month, the total expenses, and net profit and bank balance. So that's where you manage your finances. So you can add a new bank deposit, because now when your money comes, especially mostly some people payments are more of cash. When the money comes, then you either you record it, then you say, okay, I'm going to add a new bank deposit. Then you take that deposit to the bank and amount and the account number. Then you save it, because you have to specify where that money go to, which account number it has to indicate there, right? Going back, yeah, these are things that I need to fix. That's one of the problems I've not fixed. Then add a new withdraw. Then you can export as a PDF or as a Excel, right? Now when you come to stuffs, you right now I add my name as me as a staff in the company, Dan Kennedy, as a tech support, my phone number, and my salary. So you can view that specific stuff, and shows the view overview details about that stuff. Is that he joined here, he was hired there, and his performance, and then you can view the performance. So it shows customer acquisitions and sales performances, right? And here shows top customers of this person and the recent orders, then the recent orders. Then this is where, when that stuff is selling things, is going to load the graph, the details about that person, right? Okay. Then another thing that I've not talked about is I'm just going to work on suppliers. Let me show you the source code of all this. Right? These are the models that I used to have build this application. Like as I said, the backend is Django and the front end is Dart. And most of the pages that you've been seeing are here: transaction page and clients page. Then you can see all that stuff here, and you can see the dashboard. What I like to do is, when I'm building some applications, sometimes I like to style it inline, not in the static files, but I can fetch all these static files later to to where they are supposed to be, but mostly I style it within here in the development stage, then I can take them out from that particular page HTML later. So that's what I do, right? And then all my forms, the forms that you've been seeing for filling the forms and adding that order and clients, and this is the specific forms that I used here, right? So please, if you like this video, please consider to subscribe and let me know what else I need to add. Similar application like that is what I've done it for my personal business, and yeah, you can see how it works, and that's for it. It's the same ideas, but current now different layouts. So that's it, guys. If you like this video, please consider to subscribe and let me know in the comment section what else you think I should do. Thank you for watching.